Danny Romula is the owner of SOPHIL Resources Industries in Zone 4 in Upper Agusan, Cagayan de Oro City, not far from the National Highway. He owns 10 bandsaws here, which he in turn rents out to work crews. Mahogany logs are also sawn to size here. At the moment, however, there is no supply from the hinterland because it rains every day, which is also noticeable here at the lumberyard. Many of the team workers also live here in simple dwellings on the lumberyard.
Philippine Magazine sa YouTube.
Kita tadi dito sa Guan, sa Germany.
The women who live here with their families take care of the household. It's Saturday and the children who go to school have the day off. The cell phone provides variety. I had to go to the sawmill again after a few days because some video clips didn't work out. I came to how a vehicle was loaded with wood. Below were thin boards to see and above rather waste wood. The buyer explained to me that he would make coffins out of the boards and the waste wood would be for his dirty kitchen. This work team can be happy about a sale. Others enjoy some free time. Now back again to the guys at the saws. Here they are sawing at a piece rate. The workers at the bandsaws also include their wives. These carve boxes for And again, one of the work teams was able to sell a load of lumber.
Ang buntag! Panday.
Panday tatay, nanay.
Okay, okay.
One of the bandsaws is missing logs for sawing, so two of the team have to bring in new material while the other takes down and sharpens the bandsaw.
About the free world, is it true what they say? Are we okay the way we are? Well, tell me, do I really have to change? 'Cause I don't know how to be her, the one you look at in the magazine. She turned the world upside and down, and I don't feel like I wanna wear the crown. And oh, can't help but feeling so low, and I can't seem to go on without your love. But then you just tell me to carry on, carry on, carry on. Love will find its home. Just carry on, carry on, carry on. Love will find its home. Carry on, carry on, carry on. Love will find its home. Carry on, carry on, carry on. Love will find its home. Oh, have you heard
Ladies making
about the free
boxes.
world? Is it true?
She says these wooden boxes are for pineapples.
Okay, the way we are. Well, tell me, do I really have to change? 'Cause I don't know how to be her, the one that's in your deepest fantasies. Invincible is all that we are if we never try to open up our hearts. And oh, can't help but feeling so
Short lumber is sold in bundles.
and I can't seem to go on without your love. But then you just tell me to carry on, carry on.
Here the workplace is cleaned and maintenance work is carried out on the bandsaw.
And it's home. Carry on, carry on, carry on. Love will find its home. Carry on, carry on, carry on. Love will find its home. Carry on, carry on, carry on. Love will find its home.
If you like this video, please subscribe to my video channel, leave a like, share with friends, and leave a friendly comment. Thank you.